Hello everyone, I am Darren, a professional dive instructor in South Florida, and today I'm going to make a quick modification to these jet fins. I have been diving with these for the last several months and I really like them. I like the propulsion, I like the control. They're a little heavy, but in a dry suit they were great, and I think I'll probably keep using them a bit in the summer. The one thing I haven't liked about them is the included spring strap. After diving for a few years with these RK3s, which I still love, I really came to appreciate the spring strap and padded area here that cushions your Achilles tendon and gives you a nice pull tab when you're going to go take them off, especially if you're wearing gloves. The jet fins really just come with a spring and then a cloth cover on them. So you can see how the factory spring straps really don't provide any cushion compared to this. And it works fine, and it doesn't bother a lot of people. And you might say I'm a wimp for complaining about it. But I'm going to try to upgrade these and replace the spring strap on them. So I found these straps as a replacement, and I will put a link in the notes. But these look like just what I wanted. They've got the cushion and a pull tab, and looks like they're going to fit the jet fins. So let's give it a try. The factory spring strap is held in place with a little Phillips head screw and a nut on the back right there. The replacement straps go right into these holes. And then I'm just going to use a pair of pliers to clamp them down. And there we go. That is a big improvement. Now we just need to take them diving and try it out.